Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so for today's video, it's a super fun collab or rather challenge with my favorite YouTube ladies. So let me brief you on how this works. The idea of this collab is to push ourselves to try different styles, but the key takeaway of this challenge is how to copy a reference and turn it into your own original artwork. So what we had to do was randomly draw lots to see whose artwork we would recreate in our own style. There were a few channels that I was a little wary of, because they draw so bloody well, but just my luck, I have chosen Yen. She is an exceptional portrait artist and also a fortune teller plus professional jinxer. If I had her skills, I would have used it for a lotto ticket. So this is what I got, exactly what I was avoiding. If you're wondering why I'm starting with the cardboard, it's because I burned too many canvases trying this. Yen was nice enough to give me a tutorial, and I did not want to let her down. But sadly I failed. Let me show you what constipation looks like. This is also why I don't paint portraits. Do not commission me for one, you have been warned. By the time I was recording this, it was very close to the deadline, and I was starting to panic, so this is my 8th attempt. I've decided to give it a little revamp while keeping the key elements. Since art has no rules and this is my style, or rather I had no choice. I enjoyed this challenge even though I didn't exactly achieve my goal here, but I kind of like the end result. There are a few elements that I've retained from the original artwork, but you'd have to watch till the end to find out. Please do check out the other channels in the description. You will not be disappointed, I promise. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Come a little closer. Do you feel